What's your limit? What's your endpoint? At what point do you break? What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SP and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Do you really know the answer to that question? Because a lot of people don't, and honestly I don't, right? But you need to stop for a minute and think about it. What's your endpoint? At what point will you break? And if you don't know the answer to that question, which 99.5% of the world doesn't, you gotta keep going. Do you know what I mean? Because you gotta stop and think about it for a minute. Like, when someone looks at you and they say, yo, like, you know, what's your limit? At what point do you say, I'm done with all this? Right? Some people say, you know what, I'm tired, man. When I'm tired, I don't want to go to work no more. Yeah, and you get that one random day where you think, oh my god, it's 5 o'clock, I need to go home. I can't stand it. Until your boss comes in and they're like, listen, we got an urgent client coming in and you need to stay for an extra 2 hours. Then all of a sudden you find this inner strength to do an extra 2 hours. Right? So what you believe is your limit is not really your limit. There's a lot more in there, and that's what you gotta tap into. I mean, that's what you gotta tap into, because you don't really know your limits to this. I mean, you gotta keep pushing and pushing and pushing, and when you feel like, you know what, I'm about to hit that limit, you push a little harder. Do you mean? Because that's the only way you will really fully reach your potential, to really understand what can I and what can I not do. Right? That's when you're really giving 100%. Because it's not easy. Nothing's easy. The world ain't easy. Life ain't easy, right? But if you're going to break and you're going to give up every time you hit 30, 40, 50, 60, then how do you know what could have happened when you hit 100? Do you mean when you need to get to 100%, you need to give your full effort? Only and only then can you know what is fully achievable. Right? You gotta think about it like an ocean, right? Like a big ocean. And then you know what, like if you were to start putting water or taking water out of an ocean, like you will keep doing it and doing it and doing it, but it doesn't end. It doesn't end, because at the end of the day, there's just always water in there. You probably have to put more water in there, something of the sort. That's what I believe human potential is. That's what I believe is in you somewhere. There's always that extra push. There's always something else that you can get out of yourself, but you gotta be willing to keep pushing. You gotta be willing to find out what is my real limit. And the truth of the matter is, you will be so surprised. You'll be so surprised, because people always find that extra push at the last possible minute. You think you've had the worst day and you're tired and your legs are giving up, until you think someone's about to bomb the bus, and all of a sudden you've got this massive energy to run. It's in there. You gotta find it, but you can't only find it when things are going bad. You gotta be able to tap into it and find it when you're trying to push yourself to reach better limits. Until next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well, Real Andrew SP. I repeat, Real Andrew SP on the socials. Let us know your comments, let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.